Hello, today we're in Puerto del Rosario. We're going to take a walk along the harbour and down into Playa Blanca.
If you are lucky enough to visit Fuerteventura on a cruise ship, you will find that the boat docks right in the centre of town, with all the amenities within walking distance. Right outside the port entrance, you will find these porter cabins, where you can hire a car for the day. There is also a minibus which will take you on an excursion round Rosario, or you can jump on the train. The main shopping centre in Puerto del Rosario, Las Rotundas, is only about a 5-minute walk away from here, where you will find lots of bars, shops and restaurants. This is a very popular spot for taking photographs, and normally you'd see people queuing up to have their photograph taken. Moving along, there's plenty to see and do in Rosario. There's lots of bars, restaurants and cafes. Overlooking the main beach is a lovely gardened area. The garden area along here is very nice, with loads of seating. As you walk along the promenade, you will come across a lot of these old fortifications, which were built in years gone by to protect the capital. This building in front of you is the new auditorium, which was built about 10 years ago, which is used for concerts and shows. Leaving the beach, we join the promenade, which is the main walkway into Playa Blanca. Just here to the right hand side is the new gymnasium, which is very popular with the people that live in Rosario.
Well, here we are. This is the start of the new promenade into Playa Blanca. It was built about 5-6 years ago, and this will take us right into Playa Blanca. So let's go.
There you can see the start of the beach, which will take us into Playa Blanca. The beach itself is very popular with the locals, and you will quite often see surf schools down here, which come from all over the island. Continuing along the promenade, we can get some fantastic views of the beach and the sand dunes. Well, here we are, we've made it down to the beach, which isn't too busy considering what a lovely day it is. The beach itself is very popular with the locals and with tourists visiting the area. Just in front of the sand dunes you will find this lovely little beach bar, which is very popular with the surfing community, and me because I'm going in for a beer. and I'm going to leave you listening to some music and watching the waves.
Well, that's it for today. If you've enjoyed our little trip down to Playa Blanca, join me again next time. And in the meantime, be happy.